Alright, let's go and try to create this presentation I created in the past. It's a really easy trick and fast trick. We can use it. Let's go and see how we create it. At first, we need to create new slide. In this slide, how you can put a picture in a slide, I tell you, you go to format background, from here, picture or texture, and insert. You can insert your picture if you want. Okay, we insert our pictures from the past. Now we need to create a rectangle here. After adding the rectangle, what we are going to do, we are going to make it black and then copy this slide. Copy this slide. After that, delete this rectangle and insert these shapes. We are going to create this effect we have here. Insert these shapes. Make it the size you want. Let me zoom a little. Okay. After that, just put them in the shape you like. If it has some order, it's beautiful, but you can use like this. It's not a problem. After creating that, don't forget to select all and increase them in size for a little. Why? Because when you go to shape format and make them union, something like this never happened. Let me show you this thing that happened here. I don't like it. We select all of them, increase them in size. Now select the shape format and make them. And after that, we copy this rectangle, paste it here. Let me just and select Ctrl A and go to shape format and combine them. After that, we make it black. It's a nice black. We need to create our text here now. Let's just go for text. We go with, for example, nature. Nature is a good topic. We make it inner, increase the size, change the texture to calibrate something I like, and after that we must align it center and middle. Now we must change our shape style. I like something like this. It's have good shadows. Now we just copy that and paste this in here. We can make something better by reducing the transparency a little. It's a good thing. Okay, now we change the transition to morph. Our slide is ready for C. You see, it's really fast. Let me change the problems we have. At first, we have these backgrounds. I don't like these borders. After that, we must change the transition duration to 5 seconds. And then, let's see. You see, it's beautiful and great. You can use it whenever you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have many more templates you can use. See you tomorrow in the next course.